Step up, reverse, dumbbells. The reverse dumbbell step up is a useful exercise for building bulletproof knees as it places the load into the knee and targets the Vastus Medialis Oblique, VMO, which is the teardrop quadricep muscle on the inner thigh. One way to progress the reverse step up is to increase the height of the elevated surface. The higher the step, the more ankle dorsiflexion is required to keep the foot flat on the elevated surface. It is best to start on a low elevated surface and slowly increase the height as strength, ankle mobility, and balance improves. Do not increase the height until you can perform the reverse step up with perfect form. The maximum height should be roughly mid-shin, as the first 15 degrees of knee flexion works the VMO. Notice that the non-working leg remains dead straight and the ankle is dorsiflexed, so only the heel of the foot is placed on the floor. This prevents cheating by pushing off the non-working leg. As we step down and forward, we rest the heel of the non-working leg on the floor, pause, and then use the strength in the working leg to return to the top position. To perform the step up correctly, step forward and down while keeping the torso as upright as possible. Do not allow the hips to sit back and the shoulders to lean forward, as this will not target the VMO as desired. The glutes must remain vertically stacked over the heel of the foot or slightly forward of the heel, never behind the heel. It's important to keep the hips level during this exercise. Do not allow the hips to hike up on one side as you perform the step up. As you step forward, the knee of the working leg will move over the toes, and you will feel the weight move into the ball of the foot. This places the load into the knee and the VMO and helps to strengthen the knee. Make sure the knee does not collapse inwards as you move up and down. Aim to keep the knee tracking over the toes. After placing the heel of the non-working foot on the floor, we pause at the bottom for the prescribed tempo and then push through the foot on the elevated surface to extend the knee and stand up straight. Try not to touch the elevated surface with the non-working leg. The aim is to find balance on the single leg. When you're ready to start loading the reverse step up, you can hold a dumbbell in each hand. I like to turn the palms to face forward, as this allows for a much better posture, but a neutral grip, palms facing inwards towards the torso, is okay. Perform the specified number of repetitions at the required tempo on one side before repeating on the other side.